Toy collections like Toys for Tots and the Mining Journal's Cheer Club are coming to an end, and some of those donations are being given to the Salvation Army to distribute. Local 3's Rebecca Bartolome caught up with people who are putting it together, including one little boy who's putting other kids before himself.
The old Yonkers building in the Westwood Mall is being converted into a toyland to help make Christmas a little happier for 228 families in Marquette County.
519 kids are going to be serving. That's excluding the families that are also with adoptive families. A lot of families are struggling to pay bills, to stay in their house, and so Christmas just adds another layer of stress for the parents especially. They want the best for their kids.
Some of the toys that are part of the distribution are coming from Toys for Tots. Just one trailer filled with toys that they dropped off Monday afternoon contained over $10,000 worth of toys.
This is just from the toys collected in the Ishpeming-Negaunee area. We're still collecting from the Marquette and the Gwin area yet.
Tippett says this year's Toys for Tots collection has been very successful.
You know, we've had more businesses wanting the toy donation boxes at their businesses, or otherwise monetary donations coming in. It has been, Marquette County has been great, overwhelming support for this toy campaign this year.
And there was one special donation from Gabe, a 6-year-old who wanted to give his birthday presents to the cause instead of keeping them for himself.
Because I wanted to give toys to other people, to be nice to them.
The distribution will be on Thursday and Friday for families in need. Reporting in Marquette Township, Rebecca Bartolome, Local 3 News.